Have you ever wondered why breakfast is often called the most important meal of the day? Well, there's a good reason for it. Breakfast, from the word itself, breaks the overnight fasting period, jump-starting your metabolism and providing you with the energy you need to conquer the day. Imagine your body as a car. Just as a car needs fuel to start its engine, your body needs food to set your metabolic processes in motion. And it's not just about energy. A nutritious breakfast can significantly improve cognitive function, enhancing your memory, attention, and creativity. It sets the tone for your mood, and it can be a pivotal factor in maintaining overall health and well-being. Now we know mornings can be hectic, so we've taken the guesswork out of the equation for you. Let's dive into 5 delicious, easy-to-make, healthy breakfast ideas that both adults and kids will love. Stay tuned because you won't want to miss this. Our first breakfast idea is a nutrient-packed oatmeal delight. This is a meal that promises a burst of flavors, a mixture of textures, and a powerhouse of nutrients to kickstart your day. Let's dive into the making of this delightful dish. First, you'll need a half cup of oats. Oats are a fantastic source of dietary fiber, which aids digestion and keeps you feeling full for longer. They also contain a type of fiber known as beta-glucan, which helps to reduce cholesterol levels. Next, add in a cup of your preferred type of milk. Almond milk, for instance, is a great source of calcium and vitamin D, which are essential for bone health. If you're more of a dairy milk person, you're adding a good dose of protein to your breakfast. Now let's talk toppings. A handful of mixed nuts will contribute healthy fats and proteins to your meal. Walnuts, for instance, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their heart health benefits. Almonds, on the other hand, provide a good amount of vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant. For a natural sweetener, you could drizzle in a bit of honey. Honey carries antibacterial properties and can even soothe a sore throat. Plus, it's a healthier alternative to refined sugar. And finally, let's not forget the fruits. Berries are a great choice here. They're packed with antioxidants and add a delightful tangy sweetness to your oatmeal. Bananas can also be a great addition, providing a dose of potassium, which is essential for heart and kidney health. To prepare the oatmeal delight, simply cook the oats in milk over medium heat until it thickens. Then, stir in your honey, top with your chosen fruits and nuts, and there you have it. A breakfast that's as nutritious as it is delicious. So the next time you're in a breakfast rut, remember the oatmeal delight. It's more than just a meal, it's a plate full of health benefits waiting to be savored. With the oatmeal delight, you're not just having a tasty breakfast, but also a health-boosting meal. Next up is our protein-packed scrambled tofu, a perfect meal for those who need a protein boost in the morning. This dish is a delightful alternative to traditional scrambled eggs, offering a plant-based protein source that's just as delicious. Let's dive right into the preparation. Start off by pressing the tofu to remove excess water. This is an essential step as it allows the tofu to absorb the flavors we'll be adding later on. Once the tofu is pressed, crumble it into a bowl to mimic the texture of scrambled eggs. Now let's move on to the flavor. We're going to need nutritional yeast, turmeric, garlic powder, and black salt. Nutritional yeast gives our scrambled tofu a cheesy flavor, while turmeric adds that familiar yellow hue. Garlic powder provides a savory note, and black salt, also known as kala namak, brings in that unique eggy taste. Mix these spices into the crumbled tofu until it's well coated. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat. Add a splash of olive oil and sauté some chopped onions until they're translucent. Then toss in the tofu and cook until it's heated through, stirring occasionally. Feel free to throw in some chopped bell peppers or spinach for an extra nutrient boost. Protein is a vital nutrient that our body needs for growth, repair, and maintaining good health. Tofu is an excellent source of plant-based protein, making it a great choice for vegetarians, vegans, or anyone looking to include more plant-based foods in their diet. Plus, it's low in calories and high in calcium and iron, offering a plethora of health benefits. The beauty of this protein-packed scrambled tofu is its versatility. You can enjoy it on its own, or serve it with some whole grain toast and avocado for a complete meal. It's also a great option for meal prepping, as you can easily make a large batch and store it in the fridge for quick and easy breakfasts throughout the week. The protein-packed scrambled tofu is not only flavorful, but it's also a great way to start your day with a protein kick. This dish is proof that a healthy breakfast doesn't have to be boring or complicated, so why not give it a try? For our third breakfast idea, we're going with a liquid but highly nutritious option, the green smoothie powerhouse. This vibrant blend of vegetables and fruits is not only a feast for the eyes, but also a powerhouse of nutrients that can supercharge your day. Let's dive right into the making process. Start with a handful of fresh spinach, a leafy green known for its high iron content. Iron is essential for maintaining our energy levels and supporting our immune system. It's also a great source of magnesium, which aids in muscle and nerve function. Next, add in a crisp cucumber. Cucumbers are a fantastic source of hydration given they're about 95% water. They also contain a fair amount of vitamin K, which is essential for blood clotting and bone health. Now, to sweeten things up a bit, toss in a ripe apple. Apples are a great source of dietary fiber and vitamin C. Not only do they add a touch of natural sweetness to your smoothie, but they also pack a punch when it comes to health benefits, including enhancing our immunity and aiding digestion. Blend these ingredients together with a cup of water or, if you prefer, a non-dairy milk like almond or oat. You'll end up with a smoothie that's both creamy and refreshing, the perfect balance. The beauty of the Green Smoothie Powerhouse is that it's customizable. Feel free to add other nutrient-dense ingredients like chia seeds, flax seeds, or a scoop of your favorite protein powder. You can also experiment with different fruits or vegetables to find your perfect blend. Remember though, the goal is to keep it as green as possible. The more leafy greens you can sneak into your smoothie, the better. And trust us, despite its green color, this smoothie tastes nothing short of delicious. The Green Smoothie Powerhouse is a great way to sneak in some greens into your breakfast and start your day on a fresh note. It's a quick, simple, and nutritious breakfast option that you can whip up in a matter of minutes. So go ahead, give it a try, and let the power of green fuel your day. Our last breakfast idea is a sweet treat that's also packed with nutrients. Berry Good Pancakes. These aren't your typical pancakes, folks. We're upgrading the classic dish with whole wheat flour and an array of colorful, antioxidant-rich berries. Let's get into the easy steps of creating this breakfast delight. First, we mix together whole wheat flour, baking powder, and a little salt. Whole wheat flour, unlike the refined white version, retains all its natural nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants, making it a much healthier choice. Next, we blend a mix of milk, egg, and honey. Honey is a natural sweetener that doesn't spike your blood sugar levels as much as regular sugar. We then combine the wet and dry ingredients to form a smooth batter. Now for the star of the show, the berries. Toss in a generous helping of your favorite berries. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, you name it. These fruits are packed with vitamins and antioxidants that boost your immune system and keep your heart healthy. Then, it's time to cook your pancakes on a hot, lightly oiled pan, flipping them when bubbles appear on the surface. And voila! Your Berry Good pancakes are ready to serve. Top them with a dollop of Greek yogurt or a drizzle of honey, and you've got a breakfast that's as delicious as it is nutritious. The Berry Good pancakes offer a healthier yet delightful twist to your regular pancakes. There you have it, 5 healthy breakfast ideas that are not only good for you, but also taste incredibly delicious. We've explored the oatmeal delight, the protein-packed scrambled tofu, the Green Smoothie Powerhouse, and the Berry Good pancakes. So why not give these recipes a whirl? Share your experiences in the comments below. We'd love to hear how they turned out for you. Remember, a healthy day starts with a healthy breakfast. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and recipes. Thank you for watching.